Today we will discuss the Planck quantum theory. What he explained based on the charged particles in the sense, what is the nature of the charged particles inside the body or outside the atom or inside the atom. What he explained based are what are the postulates of the quantum theory. Emission of radiation is due to vibration charged particle in the body. Basically, any vibration arises from any body, it is a comes from charged particle. It's like we can observe the night times mosquitoes will come closer to our ears. They can they uh, they they can create some low noise. Actually, it's like a vibrating particle. Again, we can see in the nature the honeybee is around the flower. They can rotating very frequently and very vibrately. It is create the noise like that. That is kind of a nature to the charged particle. Basically, charged particle is emit the radiation. That is the nature of the charged particle. It's like a mosquito is come closer to our eye, or honeybee is going around the flower and getting noise vigorously. The emission of radiation is discontinuous. Charged particle emit the radiation in the form of discontinuous. It's not a continuous form. You can see the here within the brackets line divided into small particles like that. The emission of radiation is a continuous. It's not a continuous. It's a discontinuous form. Body is emitted or absorbed in the form of small packets are called quanta. Basically, charged particles emit the radiation in the form of discontinuous radiation, and then the discontinuous small particles are known as a quanta. You can see here within the bracket we have a line that is divided into small piece of line. That is, each piece of line is called a quanta. The emitted radiation is transferred in the form of waves. Basically, the charged particle emit the radiation in the form of waves. Energy is associated with each quantum is directly proportional to the frequency of the radiation. That is, E is directly proportional to the V. V is nothing but a frequency equal to hv. Here V is frequency of radiation, h is Planck constant. The value of the Planck constant is 6.626 into 10 to the power of 34 joule second. A body can emit or absorb the multiple of hv. This is called a quantization of energy. That is, basically the body can emit the radiation in the form of multiple of hv, in the sense it gives the energy in the form of multiple of quantums. It cannot emit one quantum. The same way absorption also, while emit the energy or absorbs the energy in the form of multiple of quantums. It's not for one quanta or like two quanta like that. For example, we can go to the vegetable market or fruit market. We can buy the banana. They will give dozen of banana. It is a 12 pieces of banana. They could not give one piece of banana. They can sell frequently dozens of banana only, or we can purchase the any vegetable in the form of cages or cages only. We could not we could not get one piece of vegetable. Likewise, even body also can emit multiples of quantums, that is nothing but hv, that is called as a quantization energy. It is represented as a equal to nhv, n equal to 1 2 3 4 and so on, like that. According to Einstein generalization principle, a body can emit or absorb the energy in the form of small particles called a proton. He explained, as per the Einstein theory, the emission of the particle called as a proton. As per the Planck theory, we can call it as a quantum. As per the Einstein, he called as a quantum. This is the only difference. The naming of the small packets of the energy is called as a proton in terms of Einstein theory. Quantum is in terms of Planck's theory. Planck quantum theory successfully explained black body radiations. This theory explained successfully black body radiations. We can discuss all the above points regarded to the black body radiations only. Here we can discuss the word called as a black body. What is the black body? Black body is nothing but the ideal physical body can absorb the incident electromagnetic radiation regardless of the frequency or angle of incidence. It means it can absorb all the radiation around the body. Thank you.